solar cycle 25's maximum might arrive earlier and hit harder. By Tyler Durden. Solar cycle 25 has been underway since April 2019. Ever since the cycle began, the sun has become more active, unleashing solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and geomagnetic storms, with at least one scientist warning solar maximum could arrive ahead of schedule, and that's not great news for the digital economy here on Earth. The current solar cycle has a forecasted peak sometime in 2025. In December 2022, the total number of sunspots, that is its highest in 8 years, indicating solar activity was ramping up. Earlier this year, scientists observed twice as many sunspots, red flags that solar maximum could be nearing. And another indication of increased solar activity is the number of intensity of solar flares. In 2022, there were 5-fold more Class C and M-class solar flares than there were in 2021, and year on year that number of the most powerful X-class solar flares is also increasing, according to Space Weather. The first half of 2023 logged more X-class flares than in all of 2022, and at least one has directly hit Earth. Solar flare classes include A, B, C, M, and X, with each class being at least 10 times more powerful than the previous one, according to Live Science. The ultimate Plan B guide. Over the years, we've explained solar flares can spark geomagnetic storms and cause disruptions to satellites and even power grids. The next big geomagnetic storm poses an astronomical risk to modern man. Digital economy disruption possible as Terminator event suggests strongest sunspot cycle on record is imminent. And what's concerning is a solar physicist at the University of College of London, Alex James, told Life Science that the sun's increase in solar activity is a warning sign. The solar maximum could arrive by the end of this year. He said the initial forecast was for 2025. All this evidence suggests that solar cycle 25 is going to peak earlier and is going to peak higher than expected, James said. Other solar physicists have told the Science publication very similar forecasts. They warned, "We are poorly prepared." A federal government became increasingly serious about potential grid-down events produced by solar storms, with a 2016 executive order signed by the Obama administration titled "Coordinated Efforts to Prepare the Nation for Space Weather Events." And this is from Activist Post on Out of Mind 2. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.